Hey everyone, want to generate cinematic videos with Runway ML? In this video, I'll show you how to create professional-looking AI videos with a cinematic style step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Runway ML website. Sign in to your account and open your dashboard. Next, start a new project and choose asterisk text to video asterisk or image to video asterisk, depending on how you want to create your video. Now write a detailed prompt describing your scene. Include the subject, location, lighting, mood, camera angle, and visual style to help the AI generate a more cinematic result. If you're using an image, upload a high-resolution picture with a clear subject and good lighting for the best output. Next, use the available camera controls to add movements such as slow zooms, tracking shots, pans, or cinematic dolly movements if your version of Runway ML supports them. Adjust the available settings, including video length, aspect ratio, motion intensity, and quality to match your creative vision. Click Generate Asterisk and wait while Runway ML creates your cinematic AI video. Once the video is ready, preview the result and refine your prompt or settings if you want smoother motion, different lighting, or a new visual style. Finally, export your completed video in your preferred resolution and use it for YouTube, social media, marketing, or creative storytelling projects. And that's how to generate cinematic videos with Runway ML. With detailed prompts, quality inputs, and cinematic camera movements, you can create impressive AI-generated videos in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.